You want to reach your goals. You need to figure out a plan to get from A to B. How best do you work it out? My name's Ryan Seville. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to hold up a box here, and this is a collection of my diaries. I've been doing this for the last several years, and I'll make sure that when I have my diary that I have right next to my computer as I'm going throughout the day, that these diaries, they don't have any lines in it within the document. Some research that I've been doing that is just, and also you notice that it's heaps of colour inside it, but the research that I was doing is that lines constrain your thoughts and you have less ideas to get to your goal. So these are line-free drawing pads. Been doing it for the last several years. Highly recommended to help you plan so you achieve your goals. All success, Ryan Seville.